Tesla 4680 battery cell. LG and Samsung reportedly produce samples as they eye a big contract. That would be a big contract, wouldn't it? Mm-hmm. Making batteries for Tesla. Tesla buys batteries. Did you know that?
They don't make their own?
I think Panasonic is their big supplier at the moment.
Okay.
I don't know if you can validate those claims, but they definitely have a relationship, have had a relationship. Mm-hmm. LG and Samsung, they're like, yeah, we can make batteries too. Look at this. 4680 battery cell. We're going to give you 5 times the energy. We're going to give you a 16% range improvement. And what about a little 6X on the power? Who doesn't want that? Who doesn't want that?
It's nice that they're working together.
The automaker claims have solved some major issues that were preventing the industry from producing larger or bigger cylindrical lithium-ion cells in a new format called 4680. Some people were suggesting, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe some were suggesting that the delay on this particular cell could have caused the cancellation of the extended range Plaid Plus model. But I could be wrong about that. I just recall hearing something along those lines. I am by no means your Tesla expert, but I am interested, and I do have more than one Tesla on order currently, and I'm not sure I'll ever see any of them. So,
2030?
I don't know, man. I haven't heard anything in a while. Anyway, 4 of the world's biggest battery suppliers, Panasonic, LG Energy Solutions, CATL, and Samsung SDI, have all announced plans to build 4680 cells for Tesla. Now, a new report from the Korea Herald, a publication based in Korea, suggests that both battery manufacturers have completed the first sample cells of Tesla's 4680 battery. So this is the kind of thing where there is a, what would you call it, like a model. There is a platform, and then this variety of producers can provide a sample of what they're capable of given the specifications provided by the manufacturer. And they can say, look at how fast or how good we are, how efficiently we can provide this stuff. And then they hope in hopes of getting a contract. And as we just mentioned, this would be an enormous contract. So it would mean big business for the likes of Samsung, LG, and Tesla.